Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. Today is the second lesson of third week. We have already started with our third week and we are going to conduct the revision session now. Student, before I start, you people will keep your skill books, your activity books and your stationery items with you so that we can revise the work thoroughly, and after that we can do the assigned task. So this is the revision session and second day of this revision. You people will learn the questions and other assignments which are given to you so that you may do the work timely. After learning and writing, submit your assigned work in the Google Classroom. So we have already started with the revision of first unit, and first unit is about seed and its germination. Yesterday we were talking about how the seeds they are found in fruits. Now this is page number 2 of your skill book. Let me start the revision of this page. Here you can see different fruits. One is plum, kiwi, tomato and bean pod. So plum is having one seed, kiwi has many seeds, tomato has many seeds, and bean pod is showing 4 seeds inside. So students, all the fruits and vegetables given here, they are different from each other as their number of seed is different. So larger seed is in plum, smaller seeds are in kiwi. Kiwi has the most seeds as well. The fewest seeds are in plum. So what pattern can you see in the results? You can see that a big fruit, it might have only one seed. In the same way, a small fruit, it might have many seeds in it. A big fruit can have one seed. A small fruit can have many seeds. In the same way, you can also teach that one seed could be there in any fruit, or there might be many seeds in any fruit. So is this investigation fair? No, only 4 examples of fruits and vegetables are taken, so this is not a fair investigation. So now first, another question is, a certain fruit has 6 seeds. Predict the size of the seeds. It can be small because the small seeds could be found in the small fruit, or it can be big. So it is possible that it could be small. It might have smaller seeds. So next is a page. It is also showing you some fruits. Peanut or groundnut is a dry fruit, then broad beans, avocado, orange. Now you have to see the number of seeds in them. Avocado has 1, orange has 8, bean has 5, and groundnut or peanut, they have 2 seeds. Now what you have to do with these pages, you have to draw the bar chart. So you have to understand how many seeds are there. So you will draw the chart between type of fruit and number of seeds as it is drawn in your skill books. This is page number 4. Now, will the fruit shown always have the same number of seeds? Avocado is always having the same number of seeds, that is 1, while orange, broad bean and peanut, they might show the different number of seeds. How can you find out? Because whenever we cut out the fruit avocado, it always shows only 1 seed. Now the last page for today from your skill book is, there are few questions. You have to write down their answer. Let me revise these questions with you. Why do seeds need to absorb the water? Because they need to grow, so that is why the water is important for the plant growth. That is why they have to absorb it. Which part of the newborn plant grows first? The first root is the first part of the new baby plant that grows downward to absorb the water and to hold the plant in the ground. Suggest a reason why this part grows downward. Because roots have to absorb the water and minerals, and it has to hold the plant as well. That is why it always grows downwards. In which direction does the first shoot grow and why? Shoot is the upper part or aerial part of the plant. It always grows upward to get the sunlight. Why do you think that new leaves start to grow above the ground? Because the young leaf they absorb the sunlight to make the food. That is why they grow above the ground. Can new plants only grow from the seeds? Yes, new plant can only grow from the seed, but in the same time they can also be grown from the other parts of the plant like stem, like branches. So not only the seed, but sometimes the other parts of the plant can also be used to make a new plant. Now this was from your skill book page number 5. Now we will do one page of our activity book. Open your activity book. Here is the page number 4 of your activity book. You can see how the seeds grow. The seed can absorb the water from the soil and other minerals around, and they can grow. So here this picture is showing you different stages of seed germination. You have to number those stages. Number 1 is seed. Number 2, it is growing downward. Number 3, it is going upward as well, and it is showing some baby leaves along with a small root inside the soil. Then it is going again towards the upward and lower both directions, and finally it is becoming a big plant in number 5. So here is number 1 stage, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to number these stages as well. Now in any stage germination is missing. Is there any stage which is not here? Yes, the stage of absorption of water by the seed and swelling of seed is not shown here. So answer is yes, the stage of water absorption by the seed is missing. So student, this was all for today. Do your work, and here are a few questions for you. So you have to do these questions in the rough copy that I told you yesterday, and I have to check your work afterwards. You have to submit it in the Google Classroom. So here are a few questions for you. Do them from skill book page number 5. First is, why do seeds need to absorb the water? Second is, which part of the newborn plant grows first? Third is, why do roots grow downward? And number 4 is, why do you think the new leaves start to grow above the ground? Again, last one, can new plant grow from seed only? So these are all questions for you today. Do them and submit them in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much. We will see each other very soon. Allah Hafiz.